Hello and what is up everybody? If you want to create a Fortnite account on your mobile device, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can open up your browser on your particular device and then you can either go to fortnite.com/mobile or epicgames.com/id/register. So let's head over to fortnite.com. So you can head over and open it up. You can just go over and type in fortnite.com. Fortnite, let's type in Fortnite. Now once you type in that, here you will be taken to their official site. This one right here, you can tap on Fortnite and then open up their official site. And once you open it up, this is the particular interface you should be finding, like this right here. So from this interface right here, what you need to do is basically look out for the option of sign up. You may look out for the menu at the top and tap on it. And then from there, look out for the sign in option and go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on sign in, you will be redirected to another page. So you can wait for certain seconds for it to load up completely. After that, you just need to go over and select how you want to sign up. So we have PlayStation, Xbox, Network, Nintendo, etc. So what you need to do is, if you want to create an account, from this login page right here, you can look out for this option called create an account and just go and tap on it. And apart from that, there are other ways such as Google, Steam, Apple, Facebook, Lego account also. So tap on create account first. And then you can tap on, answer this question like if you have played before. I'm just going to tap on no. And once this is done, you should be taken to this page. You need to enter up your birth date first. So provide in your birth date, your day, your year, and your month, and tap on continue. Once that is done, you need to type in your email. You can continue with Google also. You can just go over and do any of the thing you prefer. For example, let's say Google. Now once that is done, you can add up a display name in this box right here. And after that, you just need to agree to the terms of service and tap on continue. So look out for the continue option and tap on it. And once you tap on continue, you just need to go over and your account should be created. And for that, you need to enter the verification code that you will be receiving on your email address that you provided. So enter it up. And then your account should be created on your mobile device. You can just go over and view it up right here. There we go. So you can just go over and look it up. But this is how you basically create your Fortnite account on your mobile. Pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.